to Wikilicious Season 2, where we are going to be traveling around India, around regional India. So it's going to be good fun. And so today's recipe is called Tehri, which is actually comes from Awadh cuisine. And it was made in the courts of kings and also for the army, because it had rice, it had cauliflower, and it had, you know, a lot of cauliflower and rice with whole spices. Now something like that would be like a one pot meal, a lot of sustenance it had. And a lot of people still in UP, you know, you go to Lucknow, you go to other places, they still eat this. It's very popular. Now vegetables of Tehri change. I mean, some people put peas, some people put potatoes, but I'm putting spinach, green beans and cauliflower. Okay, so pehle to, you know, we are following age-old techniques. Pani mein soda dalo, pani mein sabun dalo, and wash your vegetables. But actually, I like to use Veggie Clean. What you need to do is it cleans all fruits and vegetables, and it's a natural product. That's the main thing. There's no chlorine, there's no chemicals, there's nothing. So it's a natural disinfectant, and it is 99.9% safe for all your vegetables. So if you know, sometimes we eat vegetables, kakadi kha li, gajar kha liya, lettuce khate hain hum, we eat a lot of salad. So I think especially vegetables, when they are raw, you have to be a little careful about, you know, how you're consuming it. So Veggie Clean, as I said, just one cap is more than enough, in about 2 liters of water. And then I'm going to be washing my veg over there in here. So I've got like so I've got my veggie bowls here, into which I'm going to be just putting in all the veg here. I've got some cauliflower, which I'll just like literally 5 minutes, and then we put in soft water, yeah, in clear water, as in plain water. So ye dal diya abhi talak. Okay, so I'm washing these, I'm going to chopping these up and coming. So give it about 5 minutes. Let's talk about the recipe. Let's move over to this side now. Hi Shreya. We need to cut the veg to clean them. Yes, I'm already washing the veg. So I've already cut my florets already inside. Okay, then obviously what you go inside, you don't really need to, you do the same, guys. So you can cut and wash, but after you cut them and wash them, you are losing a lot of surface nutrients as well. Okay, now here the cauliflower is going into this for 5 minutes, and then we're going to rinse it. The basic cauliflower is already cut. I have to just slice it. Okay, you don't have to expose the insides of the vegetable in this. Okay, same thing with the beans. You chop them up, so it has surface nutrients as well. So the surface germs are disappearing with the washing. Okay, so we are doing a Tehri. Now with the Tehri is made with basic masalas. Okay, very basic. Right, now I will take questions later. I'm going to turn the comments off. Okay. So I've got an onion here. So we slice the onion. So basically Tehri is a rice dish. And for the rice, I've soaked about a little less than 1 cup of rice. I'm using Ambe Mohar rice. Okay, Ambe Mohar rice comes from Maharashtra. It's one of those unpolished rice. It's an unpolished rice. It has a high fiber. It helps you in weight loss. You feel very full when you eat it. So it has a lot of sustenance, this rice. I'm using spinach, which is definitely very high in iron. Very high in iron, okay. And you know, iron is good for your body, for your bones, for your blood. So spinach is one of the most nicest vegetables I like to eat. I also like to eat it raw in a salad as well. Now when you cook spinach too much, you lose most of its nutrition. So I prefer cooking spinach very lightly when I like to cook. So I'm going to be just chopping this onion. Now this onion is already washed, don't worry. And it's got its natural peel from which it's protected as well, okay? So now green beans, okay? Green beans, cauliflower, spinach, all three are vegetables which are low in calories, high in fiber, okay? Now especially cauliflower, these also have some elements like manganese which help you in weight loss, which helps you in blood circulation, which are also anti-aging as well, okay? So there are a lot of benefits which are coming, and I always say that let food be your medicine and medicine not your food, okay? So you can actually derive all the nutrition, you can derive all the nutrition, all the nutrients from actually what you eat, okay? Now I've got some basic spices here. I've got a green chili, I've got a ginger garlic paste, I've got my whole. Now in the tehri, since it's from Awadhi food. Now Awadhi cuisine is well known for having khada masala, a little bit of haldi, a little bit of jeera, dhania. They never really put red chili powder in a tehri, okay? And this is one of those Mughal dishes which came down where this used to be actually cooked for the army as well. Now because it had rice, vegetables, whole spices, it was very easy to make. They made a bulk, and also the satisfaction what you got from eating this unpolished rice and vegetables was equivalent or as good as meat as well. Okay, so this is one of the Hindu dishes from the Mughal times as well. Okay, now let's get the particulars I have right here. So I have my spinach which I am going to be draining in here. Spinach I am going to be adding last minute along with the beans. So first I am going to actually start with the cauliflower. So we're going to chop up the cauliflower. I'm going to start with the cauliflower, then add the rice. Later on, I'm going to be adding the spinach and the beans when the rice is almost cooked, because I like my green vegetables not to be overcooked. Okay? So literally you can, ये जो cauliflower है, you can chop it up in a chopper or you can just slice it like this. So I'm just going to be slicing up the cauliflower just like that. I'm going to keep this ready. So while the cauliflower is happening, क्या हो गया इसको? ये साइड का क्या हो गया? चालू क्यों?
स्विच बंद कर दीजिए तो
पर नहीं होना चाहिए. So the choice is yours. You can use olive oil, you can use ghee in this recipe. So I am going to be using a little bit of ghee in this recipe because the flavor of the ghee is completely outstanding in this recipe. So I'm going to put like just a tablespoon and a little more, okay, over here. And obviously when we start cooking with anything, the whole spices, okay, जो हमारे खड़े मसाले हैं, I've got green cardamom, black cardamom, star fruit, chakra phool, that star anise, some black pepper and some cloves. So all the nice garam masalas which actually are very good for digestion, which is great for gut health as well. They keep you warm, they keep you protected. they build immunity, a lot of spices as well. So I'm just slicing up the cauliflower. I have my onions, I've got my ginger garlic paste, and once after I put the rice and the masalas, soon after that I'm going to do the spinach, no, the beans and then the spinach. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of nice lovely flavor going on. I also have some cumin. I'm going a little heavy cumin on this. Cumin is also one of those oldest, cumin and coriander are one of the oldest spices that have been used for almost 1,000 years. You know, they have proved it that these spices were used long ago. Next, we've got some green chili going in here, and then our chopped onion. Okay. And I'm going to be also adding my cauliflower. So it's going to get a really nice caramelization. And this cauliflower hai, it's got carotenoids and flavonoids, which are really good for you. And it's always to have, it maintains the pH of your body as well. You don't want too much acids in your system, okay? So you have to have a balanced life. You have to eat a lot of alkaline things in your life. Green vegetables, especially things like spinach and green beans, which have manganese, which have zinc, which are really good for tissue development as well. Okay. So I'm going to be sauteing this really nicely. So as I can repeat myself, right here we have onions, we have green chilies, we have ghee, cauliflower and खड़ा मसाला. Okay, तो इसको अभी हम अच्छी तरह भूनेंगे. Okay. So I'm going to nicely saute it. You can see there's hardly any oil in this. The onion is also going to give out its own water in this. Okay. Now I also have the beans here, green beans, okay, green beans, French beans. So I'm just going to really roughly chop it into smaller pieces, doesn't really matter. As long as they are washed, they are clean. You need to top and tail them before you wash them. It becomes much easier. So we're going to be sauteing this, and you know what I love about cauliflower? लोग तो पहले fry करते थे, but you know when you roast cauliflower in a pan, जो उसका character है, the dishes, it really changes its whole dimension of when you cook cauliflower. You know, for me it's one of the most versatile and the most useful vegetable here. So next we're going to be adding ginger and garlic paste, which I have right here. And then we have a little bit of dhania powder, coriander powder. I'm going to add some salt now. I'm going to add a little bit of garam masala as well, okay? And I'm adding some turmeric, okay? So turmeric, as you know, one of the biggest immunity boosters what we have here. And it has something which is called curcumin, I'm sure you know that, which helps us to, is a skin cleanser, which is good for your skin, which is good for your hair. Also it's a blood purifier, and also it helps you healing wounds more quickly, okay, turmeric. So you can see you've got a very nice, lovely masala going on here. Very nice. And then I'm going to be adding my beans here, and then my rice, okay. Now rice, I have soaked this Ambemo rice, which is an unpolished short grain rice from Maharashtra, which is just fantastic. So I've got about almost like about 120 grams of this rice, which I'm going to be slowly mixing in this, okay. Now the longer you soak the rice, the quicker it cooks. and it cooks better as well. So ये जो मसाले जो which is nice at the bottom of the pan. Fantastic. So there is no tomatoes, there is no red chili powder. If you've noticed, this is one of those recipes. Now, because when this dish was conceived, India we didn't even have tomatoes. The tomatoes came much later on in life through the Spanish and the Portuguese who got it from America. That's a little bit of history for you. Yeah, so we've got this really nice, beautiful. So you can get this really nice, very very Awadhi kind of flavor क्योंकि इसमें सिर्फ खड़े मसाले हैं and जीरा धनिया, that's it, and chilies, ginger, garlic. So this is one of those recipes which I love to cook sometimes, yeah. And you can add meat into this if you want. अगर आपको non-veg बनानी है, you want to add some chicken or you want to add some other meat, be my guest. You know, it does go very well with this. But traditionally, no, it does not. Okay, so I've got my perfecto. Now I've got these spinach leaves right here. So I have my palak, which I'm again going to roughly chop. Yes, I love to use the stems as well. The stems have a lot of juice. There's nothing wrong in eating the stems of spinach as long as they are cleaned properly and you take a good look at them. So I'm going to give this a stir. Let's get a taste of this as well. I also have some fresh coriander, okay, which I'm going to be adding later to it. Outstanding. So this is coming to a boil. Basically, we have to cook the rice. The rice will take about 7 to 8 minutes to cook. I'm also adding this palak inside. Okay. Giving this a little move. Lovely. So we've got all the stems of the spinach. We've got chopped green beans. Pyaz hai. Adrak lasun hai. Mirchi hai. Khade masale hai. I don't think you need anything else. So there's warmth. There's nutrition. There's of course taste and flavor. हमारी recipe जो है ये. And feel free to add any kinds of veg. Follow the spice profile because the spice profile is really nice. Let me recap for you. Wash the vegetables. So trim your vegetables. Wash them with Veggie Clean. 1 cap to 2 liters of water. Wash them, let them soak inside for about 10 minutes. Take them out, bang, throw them in running cold water in another bowl with cold water, clean water, rinse it, ready to use. 99.9% I'm safe, no problemo. Also it's natural, no chlorine, no chemicals, no permanganates, nothing like that, okay? Made completely natural. Once that is done, chopped onions, all my khade masale, all my favorite spices, heat some ghee into it, add your khade masale. Once they crackle, add the slit green chilies, saute, saute, saute. After that, onions and cauliflower, bhuna really well. Then your turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, garam masala, all in, saute, saute, saute. Uske baad, chawal, saute, saute, nicely, move it. Don't forget to pre-soak your rice. 1 to 2 hours minimum. I like to soak all my rice. Yeah, you can also substitute with brown rice, black rice, but any unpolished rice is much better for you. After that, sauteed the rice, add about 1.5 times of the water in here, job done. Uske baad green beans, saute, saute, saute. Last minute spinach, and now I'm just going to be closing this for a couple of minutes. I'm going to move this here now and take some questions from you. We can start the comments. I'm going to start the comment box right now. Anyone who wants to come live, please come live. I have all the time with you. Turn on commenting. Great. इधर मार देगा फटाक से या बाद में? हाँ मुझे लग रहा है नहीं तो मेरे को गाँव में लग रहा है एक झाड़ू या कुछ मार दो
मैं मार दूं?
हाँ मार लो कचरी एक खींच लो हाँ So I'm going to turn this low. Beautiful, cover it and let it cook. In the meanwhile, let's take some questions from my friends here. Nice. Okay, guys. Hi, Megha. How are you? Hope everyone is watching the recipe. Hope everyone is enjoying it. Love and Mommy Lifestyle. Hon Diva, me too. Style on Diva, I love you too, my dear. Pratham, thank you so much. I have not seen people using this. This has no chemicals, right, Palak? Okay. I love Tehri. Artist F. Khan. Please send me a recipe or check the recipe, check the photo. I want everyone to cook this and tag me and tag in Mommy Life as well. Hi, Amitabh. All well? Anyone wants to come live? Oh no, nobody loves me anymore. Nobody loves me anymore. Nobody wants to come live. Not fair, guys. Not fair. Hi, Mandeep. So, what do you think of the recipe, guys? कैसे लगी आपको रेसिपी ये मेरी? Any good or any good? So let's check on the taheri now. Tehri, sorry. So about 6 to 7 minutes more, it's going to be done. Just a minute. देखो एक बोल चाहिए. You're almost done, Pia. Come if you want. Hi, Chaya. Hi, gents. Is it similar to soup? No, it's not a soup. It's almost like a khichdi. But it's like, it's got a lot of cauliflower and so the amount of vegetables in the taheri is almost twice the amount of the rice which they have there as well. Yes. Frankie, I'm good. How are you doing? Hi, Payal. Anyone wants to come live? Hi, Malik Princey. So I'm going to be checking on the veg. Let me see. So let me show you what it looks like when it's almost cooking here. So I've turned it down, okay, from down. I've turned it on, it's cooking on a slow simmer, as you can see. Hi Payal, how are you? Hi Vasudev Verma. This is what it looks like, guys. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm just waiting for most of the water or the moisture to evaporate. By that time, you're going to have perfectly cooked vegetables or nutrition, color, वगैरह सब रहेगा. So I'm just shutting this now. It's looking stunning, guys. 3-4 minutes more, guys. 3-4 minutes. Are you ready for the final whisk? You can add organic herbs. You can add any kinds of vegetables, but no potatoes or carrots. Okay, vegetables which are low on calories and high on fiber. This is what it looks like, guys. Lovely, gorgeous tahiri. Yeah? Look here. It's not semi-solid. As I said, it's a dry kind of khichdi. So this is what it looks like, guys. Exactly, it is wow. So while it's here, right? Let's plate it for you all as well. So this is absolutely delicious. I remember the first time I made it, I was in college, and it was a big hit. Yeah, you can feel free to add other veg. Cauliflower is one essential vegetable which goes. A lot of people put peas, they put carrots, but I made like a healthier version आप लोगों के लिए. So this is one plate, like a little appetizer portion, and this is a nice lunch bowl for me. I'm going to be eating some nice dahi, a little raita with this, and you can have some nice healthy pickle as well if you wish. So a beautiful tahiri ready here for you guys. Let me get my so we have our nice cauliflower which we can add on to this. Lovely. So we have our both our tahiris ready here. We have some fresh coriander, and our tahiri is ready, guys. Have a look. What do you think? It's not a soup. It is savory, Shreya. It is from originally from Avdi cuisine, okay? And it was made in the courts of the Mughals. Next week, surprise hai. But it's another beautiful, healthy vegetarian recipe from India. See you soon, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.